Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Boost Unavailable for 3:4 aspect ratio on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. Instagram only allows specific aspect ratios for boosted posts. Supported formats include 1:1 square, 4:5 portrait, and 16:9 landscape. If your post uses a different ratio, such as 3:4, Instagram will automatically crop it or disable the boost option with an error message. When this happens, Instagram may show format options like original, 1:1, 4:5, or 16:9. If you select original with a 3:4 image, the boost button will remain unavailable because that ratio is not supported for ads. To fix this, open your image in an editor such as Photoshop, Canva, or any online editing tool. Create a new blank canvas with a size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is a 1:1 square format that Instagram fully supports. Drag your original image onto the canvas, resize it to fit properly without cropping, and export the final image. Now, upload the new image to Instagram. You will see that the Boost Post option is available and works correctly. So that's basically how you can fix Boost Unavailable for 3:4 aspect ratio on Instagram. That's it for this video. Thanks.